Good morning, angels. I'm just getting ready now. My first class of the day was canceled, so I gotta sleep in a little bit, but as you guys saw, I just had a work meeting online this morning, so I attended that and now I'm just getting ready. My first class of the day is in a few hours, so I'm just getting ready now, but it was so nice to, well, it wasn't really sleeping in. I woke up around 7:45, but that, for me, that is sleeping in, because typically I wake up around like 6 or 5 in the morning every day. So it was nice to sleep in a little bit. I have my overnight robe tie curlers in, you can see that, and I'm still in my pajamas. But today is going to be a fairly busy day. Usually Monday and Tuesdays are my most busy days. I have the most classes and just the most things to do on those days. So thankfully I was happy that I don't have my one class today. But we don't have that class because we have an exam today. So technically you lose some, you win some, but that's alright. The exam shouldn't be too bad. I'm thinking of prepping some sort of crock pot meal before I go to my first class today. I was kind of thinking, I love chili. Chili is like my signature. I make such a good chili this time of year. And I was just scrolling on Pinterest and I saw someone do a pumpkin chili where you do regular chili and then you add like a can of pumpkin puree and then add in some pumpkin spice, which I have both. So I'm like, that would be really yummy. I think I'll prep that this morning. I'll show you guys. And then for breakfast, I don't know what I'm gonna make yet. I really want to make a matcha since, as I said in my last video, I got a new matcha powder that I really want to try. I'm just gonna finish doing my makeup here and then we can get started on breakfast. Here soon, but I really want to try the matcha before it gets too cool. Okay, I can already tell that this is so much better than that one because the other one was like a really dull green. It was not this beautiful. So let's try it. Yeah, that's good. That's delicious. Okay, save the rest for my breakfast. Now it's time to make some breakfast. We've got a brand new sourdough loaf that I made a couple weeks ago. Took out of the freezer yesterday and now I'm gonna cut the first slice. Ugh, look how beautiful. I'm so proud. I still can't believe that I can make sourdough. That's crazy. I'll need to make another loaf here soon, so let me know if you want a tutorial. So excited for breakfast. As you guys saw, I just made some avocado toast with some soft boiled eggs using my egg cooker, which is the greatest invention of all time. Best $12 I've ever spent on Amazon. You need one because you can control if you want to make them soft, medium, or hard boiled. It's incredible. And then I also added some mushrooms and pepper, some little extra veggies, and then we have my matcha here, of course. And now I'm just gonna pull up some of my ambiance music, which I love ambiance music. So I think Ophelia Wild posted a new ambiance music video, so I'm gonna watch that and enjoy my breakfast. Back from class and I just made some lunch. I was really craving like an autumnal salad. On the base I did kale and then spinach, and then I added some avocado, a little bit of apple, bell pepper. What else do we have in here? Oh, I added this like seafood medley mix that I get, and I just added that on top, and then I did some balsamic drizzle and some lemon. I make some of that pumpkin chili for dinner tonight, so I'm gonna prep that in the crock pot after I finish this. So I'm gonna enjoy my lunch and then I will show you guys me making the chili.
Twinkle, 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 twinkle. What next?
There's no foot in the sneeze, no, not so fast. There's something that you don't quite grasp what you want. And the best, I must confess.
Hi angels, I just finished making the pumpkin chili for dinner. I'm so excited. Also so just like intrigued to see how it's gonna taste. Cause as I said, like I make chili every autumn times and I just always like make the same recipe. So now adding pumpkin and some pumpkin spice seasoning in there, I'm very, very intrigued to see how it'll taste. So that'll be ready later tonight. But in the meantime, I wanted to give you guys finally a haul of everything that I got when I was vintage shopping at the flea market yesterday. So I'm excited to show you everything. I'll start off with the smaller things first. So this bag that I picked up, I came across this at one of the first, it was one of the first booths that we went to, and I was like really drawn to it. I don't exactly know why, because typically it's not like a style that I would really like. I just saw there was something about it that was really calling to me, and I feel like it has this little charm right here that was so cute with like the little bow, and I feel like that was so me. And I also love the little kiss lock. It reminds me of the Coach kiss lock, and it has polka dot pattern on the inside. It was just, everything about it was just screaming my name. It also has like these side pockets, and I just really like it. It's fun. I feel like it's a very good night bag. Overall, I thought it was cute, and I need more pink bags. You would think I would have a lot of pink bags, but honestly, a lot of people these days are not making pink bags, or if they do, it's just not the right shade of pink. So happy that I came back at the end and was like, okay, I'm just gonna get it. And then at the same booth, came across this little cute kiss lock pouch, which I thought was just so adorable. The reason I got this is because I was hoping that I could put my makeup brushes in this to just give it a little something that's cute, and I just love like the gold with the really pretty beaded details. I just thought it was so adorable. Oh my gosh, when I came across this, I was so excited. My friend was like, you have to get that. It's this beautiful vintage dress. It has these really pretty thin spaghetti straps, and then it has a ribbon bow that ties in the back, and then this pattern, like, I can't get over it. It's so beautiful. Look at that pattern. It's like roses. Oh my gosh, I just thought it was absolutely stunning, and now I'm like excited for it to be summer again so I could wear that. But just like, oh my gosh, and the trim, you're joking. It's so cute. Then I got this dress out of like, someone had a $10 bin, and I grabbed it, and I was like, oh, I put on my like 2025 goals that I really wanted to do a thrift flip, because I've never done one before, and I feel like that would be something really like a fun project for me to do. Look how gorgeous. It's this like satin. I can't even tell if it's supposed to be a top or a dress. It fits me like a dress, but just look at the embroidery details. But yeah, so if you guys would be interested in seeing this, I would love to film me thrift flipping this. I don't know when. I'm kind of busy right now. Maybe that could be like winter break project, or even Thanksgiving break too, because I have a sewing machine at home. But we will see. I'm very excited. I will keep you guys updated when I do that. And then I got a couple of pajama sets. This first one, it's a pant and top pajama set, and the top is just absolutely stunning. Like, look at her. So gorgeous. It has this bow in the front and the lacy details, and then just the most perfect flutter sleeves. Look at that trim. It's just so beautiful. I need to wash this immediately because I want to wear it tonight so badly. So beautiful. And it just has like that baby doll style. Love. And then it came with these matching pants, which I just thought was so cute. It even has like the lace trim on the bottom. Like, it's all in the details, and this is why I love vintage shopping. And then this other set that I got from a different vendor starts with this really pretty, it's like a dusky pink satin set, and this is the top. It's just really pretty with like lace details and all around, like I'm saying, all the details. And then it came with this matching satin slip skirt, like lace around the waist. And then at the last place that I went to, I found this beauty. She's gorgeous. It's just a very light nightgown, but around the bust it has this lace pattern, gorgeous trim along, and with the rose, I just thought it was so perfect. And then at the end it has like a nice scalloped lace, which I thought was gorgeous. And at that same booth I found this dress, which it was like the first thing I saw when I like walked up to the booth, and I was just like, that dress, like, I don't know if it's necessarily something that I would wear or if it's for me, but somebody has got to buy that, and I've got to see it on them. So I don't even know where to start with this dress. This is gorgeous strapless. The pattern on it is just absolutely beautiful. Like, oh my god, the lace embroidery is insane. The like corset-y detail on it. It's got like boning, and just the front, it's shorter. And so the embroidery stops just a little bit above like where the skirt hem is, and it's like layered, and then it's short in the front, but in the back it's longer. And it's in the most gorgeous champagne-y color. Yes, that is everything that I got vintage shopping yesterday. I'm very happy with everything that I got. I'm about to leave to go to this club meeting. Yes, anyways, I'm probably just gonna I have 20 more minutes until I need to leave, so I'll probably just get some work done and relax. Anyways, I'll catch up with you guys later. Hopefully for dinner when my chili is done. Doing a Lydia Mare workout. I love her workouts for when I just want to do something very relaxed and chill and nothing too intense. I'm going to bar class tomorrow morning, and that class is always really hard, especially because it's at 6:30, so my body's like not even awake yet. So I just wanted to do something light to get my body moving today, and now my chili should be almost ready. So I'm probably gonna go pour a bowl of that. Okay guys, I got myself a cup of the pumpkin chili. I'm so excited, but also so nervous. I don't know why. And then I also got a little glass of some herbal tea that I had chilling in the fridge. Okay, now let's try. I'm very, very nervous. It's probably really hot. Gotta get a good bite. Definitely smells like pumpkin. That's good. Wow. It's really good. Yeah, I mean, it tastes different than like the normal chili, but so good. Wow. I love this. And now I have leftovers for the whole week. That chili was seriously amazing. I'm so happy that I have so many leftovers because I cannot wait to eat it again. I currently have the butternut squash and the pumpkin chili in my fridge. But I'm just gonna enjoy my tea here. I'm gonna do a bit of reading before bed, journaling. I'm gonna end the video here. I just wanna thank you all so, so much for watching my videos. And if you haven't watched my other ones, please, please, please go check those out. And also don't forget to subscribe and turn notifications on so you don't miss a single one of my videos. But I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.